Good evening. My name is Majid Mohseni, and I'm professor in the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering and also the co-director of Environmental Engineering program. Here I'd like to talk to you about our Environmental Engineering program, which is a 4-year standalone degree program within the Faculty of Applied Science. Environmental engineering program is essentially a program within the engineering discipline that prepares the students to address some of the environmental related issues that our planet and our society face. For example, our environmental engineering students are prepared to work towards processes that minimize or eliminate pollution. They help to protect public health and more broadly speaking, provide opportunities for our society to have a sustainable development without impacting the environment. What can you expect from this program or this degree when you enter? Generally speaking, it's a 4-year program, as I mentioned, that is led by the 2 departments of Chemical and Biological Engineering and Civil Engineering program. These 2 departments are among the top programs within Canada and also highly regarded or highly ranked internationally. So the instructors and faculty members that are teaching the environmental engineering program are really leading experts in their respective field. Another feature of our environmental engineering program is a small cohort that allows the students really to have close interactions with one another, with their professors and vice versa, and also to work in group-based projects that allows for much more fulfilling educational experience for the students. Now, overall, this program is built on 4 different modules. Module 1, which is a basic science type courses, is generally common among all engineering programs, which is no different here. Module 2 is really preparing students by offering some courses that help them with their foundations around engineering and design and also environment. Module 3, which is really around year 3 and 4 of the program, is really a specialty courses. These are the courses that prepare students to tackle a specific aspects of environmental engineering, really work in different areas, for example, in the water, air, or solid waste, or in general in the field of energy and climate as well. Module 4, which is spread out throughout the program from year 2 all the way to year 4, is really the hands-on component, the design component, the interactions and work, basically group work aspects of the program. We do have a specific courses designed for environmental engineering program students that really are based on group work and group projects. And these projects are often supplied or sponsored by industry and also the communities that are facing the challenges. So what can, as a student, you expect to get or to see in the program? One is, as I mentioned, small class sizes, hands-on and engaging projects, and the projects are often group-based. So you work as groups, as teams to work towards solving some problems that are brought forward by those in the real world, the industries and communities that are facing those challenges. Also, there are opportunities for international exchanges. Many of our students are taking advantage of those exchange programs with other institutions, and that provides very fulfilling experiences to them. Our students participate in various community-based activities and associations of their own. So they have a community of their own. They have their own associations. They form and they organize industry events. So they invite industries. There are 2 of them within each year, and industry professionals come and meet students, and there are great networking opportunities. And also there are various teams and groups within UBC that are built around the environment. So our students participate in those. For example, Engineers Without Borders, Engineering for a Sustainable World. Also, there are great many research opportunities for our students. Through the co-op program, they can go into different university labs within the two departments that are basically leading this program. Also, they can do research in industry. There are courses that are research-based, including the thesis course. And finally, there are scholarships that they can apply to and secure research-based positions within a university and also outside as well. So all in all, the feedback that we receive from the students is great. They basically comment on the small class sizes, the great interactions with the professors, and great interactions among the students themselves, and ability to work on real-world challenges that we face, and we bring them to the classes and to the projects. Now, the one questions that everyone has in mind is, what are the career opportunities? What are the options after graduations? One is that even while you are as a student, there are co-op opportunities. As a co-op, you have great many opportunities to work in industry or even within university in research capacities. Generally, our co-op students get secure positions very successfully, and they work in various sectors, in government labs, in industry, with consulting firms, even at university labs. But beyond that, Vancouver is really a hub for many industries that are serving the entire province and sometimes the broader Western Canada. And those industries have offices here. So there are consulting firms, there are technology and equipment suppliers, and so on. So they all have offices, and I'm listing some of them here. And they're all employing our co-op students, but also our graduates. In addition to industry, government sectors, whether it's local governments, municipal governments, or provincial and federal governments, various departments and various agencies within the government are hiring our students as well. So the opportunities are immense, and many of our students tap into those opportunities and are very successful when they get to those positions. So all in all, we are really excited with the opportunity to help our students to really prepare and get involved and be educated in the field of environmental engineering, and really help solve many of the pressing issues that our society and our humankind in general faces in this century.